Ladies and gentle marbles, welcome to the fourth event of Mini Marble Games Season 2, which will be Duo Collision. So, if you didn't see last season's event, there will be two marbles going in here, and I will raise this thing up, and they're going to collide, and whichever marbles the team with the most marbles on wins, but there could also be ties. And there's going to be 4 teams in each group, and each group will have 6 matches because each team needs to face against the other team at least once. And yeah, the top 2 in those groups will make it to the next round. This season there'll be 3 groups instead of just 2 of last season. So I'm going to split this event up into 2 parts. This will be the first one. Another thing to mention is that for the Glass Maniacs, Cat's Eye is going to change its name to Rainbow Swirl because we already had Cat's Eye for the Misfits. So the Glass Maniacs have Red Swirl, Ball Bearing, Rainbow Swirl, and Green. Alright. Now let's start the first group. The first group of 3 will have the Arctic Racers with Snowball and Glacier, the Lagoons with Pond and Marsh. It'll be the Stingers with Galaxy and Omega. And the defending champions of this event, Team Hellfire, with Blaze and Singe. They're probably favored to win this event again, but we shall see. Okay, the first matchup will be between the Stingers and the Arctic Racers. The event is going to be underway right now, and they collide. Omega from the Stingers falls off. And Galaxy falls off too. That'll be a 2-0 victory for the Arctic Racers. They really needed that if they want to help them in the stage, because they're pretty disappointing for a team that finished second in Season 1. Alright, our next matchup will be pretty tough for the Lagoons, as they'll face against the defending champions, Team Hellfire. They're going to hope to win another gold this season, but they're going to want to take out the Lagoons in this matchup first. And, wait, that might be a tie. Marsh is barely staying on. No, his Pond accidentally pushed him off, and that'll be a victory for Team Hellfire, 2-1. You can see them huddled up against the ramp that the Lagoons came off of. Okay, next up, the third matchup. You have the Lagoons versus the Stingers. And let's go. That'll be... Stingers falls off. Pond has managed to stay on. And Marsh gets caught on Galaxy, meaning that it will be a 2-1 victory for the Lagoons. And they're going to need that after that loss. Alright, Group 6 Match 4 will contain some very big names. Arctic Racers, who just won their first collision match in franchise history. In Season 1, they got 2 wins and a loss when they finished 7th in the entire event. And also the defending champions in this event, Team Hellfire, who are just generally doing pretty well. They're actually in 3rd place, only 2 points behind the championship leaders. So can they get another win under their belt? And, Snow. Team Hellfire, both of them are right on the cusp of falling off. It'll be the 3rd time in a row that a team has won 2-1. And I guess the fire melted the snow this time. Alright, match number 5. Arctic Racers are hoping to get another win here. They'll be up against the Lagoons. Alright, let's see. And go. It's going to be... No, Pond falls off. Marsh will barely stay on, but that's going to be another 2-1 victory. That happens all the time. Alright, time for the final matchup of Group A, which should be a blowout. You have Team Hellfire, who is a very good team, only barely missed out on a qualification. Almost won the qualifiers, and they won a gold medal in this event in Season 1. Meanwhile, the Stingers, they only qualified by 1 point, and they're not even in the top half right now. But still, let's see. And, wait! It's gonna be a tie? No, the Stingers Galaxy managing to take down the Titans Team Hellfire. Still, they lost their other 2 matches, so they're not going to make it. But what a triumphant moment for Galaxy of the Stingers. Alright, the teams that will qualify for the next round after the group stage. The Arctic Racers and Team Hellfire have qualified with 2 wins and 1 loss each. However, Arctic Racers have 5 goals scored and 3 against them, while Team Hellfire only have 4 scored, 3 against them. Eliminated will be the Lagoons with a win and 2 losses, 4 scored and 5 against them. And then the Stingers in last with a win and 2 losses, 2 scored and 4 scored against them. So yeah, Arctic Racers actually managed to beat Team Hellfire. Well, Team Hellfire still made it, but still, kind of surprising. The next matchup will be between the Green Machines with Lime and Mint, the Misfits with Cat's Eye and Clementine, the Pepsi Cola Speeders with Cola and Corn Syrup, and the Ocean Riptide with Wavebreaker and Sea. The first match of Group B will be between the Misfits, defending champions, and Pepsi Cola Speeders, a rookie team who's currently tied for last in the standings with Cola and Corn Syrup, while the Misfits have Cat's Eye and Clementine. And, oh wait, all of them are still on. Oh, they're all just huddling up right at the ramp, so that would be a 2-2 tie. Our next matchup, the Green Machines over here, and the Misfits over here. And, Mint of the Green Machines. Oh, wait, Lime? No, they barely stay on. And it'll be yet another tie, 2-2. Alright, time for match number 3. You got the Pepsi Cola Speeders and Ocean Riptide, 2 of the rookie teams in this group. And, Cola. Oh, that'll be the 3rd tie in a row as both Sea and Cola managed to stay on. Alright, next up, a battle between 2 of the best teams in the league. The Green Machines on one side versus the Misfits on the other. And, Misfits. Oh, the Green Machines. No, Clementine! The only one that stays on just barely. It'll be the first match of the group that won't be a tie. A 1-0 win in favor of the Misfits. The next match is going to be between 2 teams that have won before. Pepsi Cola Speeders and the Green Machines. Okay, so the Green Machines have a better reputation to uphold, so this will be more important for them. And, my God, Corn Syrup. He's gonna fall off, and Lime kind of feels familiar to another match in Season 1, but he's standing proudly in the middle, and he will secure the first victory for the Green Machines. And it might be their last match, so they're gonna savor it. Next matchup, the Misfits will participate in the final match of Group B versus a team that is tied in every single one of their matches, Ocean Riptide. But let's see what they can do. And, will anyone fall? Clementine for the Misfits. And they will fall, causing the Ocean Riptide to take a victory, which means that they will move on with a win and 2 ties. This is huge for them. Alright, the winner of this match will be the Ocean Riptide with 1 win, 2 losses, 4 goals scored, and 3 against them. Pepsi Cola Speeders got last 2 with ties and 1 loss. 3 scored, 4 against them. But it'll be a tie for second between the Green Machines and the Misfits. Green Machines got 3 scored and 3 against them, and Misfits got 4 scored and 4 against them. But who will win? They have decided that the Green Machines will win the tiebreaker, and the Misfits will heartbreakingly be eliminated. But this is good news for the Green Machines. The final group will have the Pollinators with Yellow Jacket and Black Beetle, the Glass Maniacs with Rainbow Swirl and Green, the Ocean Riptide with Ocean and Waves, and the elementals with water and fire. Alright, time for the first match. It's going to be between the pollinators versus the elementals. Seeing the pollinators with black beetle and yellow jacket, while the elementals on this side have fire and water. And go. Ooh, yellow jacket. Oh, is it going to be a tie? Yes, it will. As black beetle and water both stand right on the edge of the board. Alright, next matchup. It's going to be between the Glass Maniacs, Rainbow Swirl Green, the Sea Strikers now. Alright, let's see. And, ooh. Oh, the Glass Maniacs will actually take a victory with green being useful here. So that was a nice win from the Maniacs there. Alright, next match, it's going to be between the Pollinators versus the Glass Maniacs, sorry. Ooh. Black Beetle's off. And yes, it'll be a victory for the Glass Maniacs, 2-1. They get 2 consecutive victories, pretty good here. Alright, next matchup, the Sea Strikers here, after losing the last game, they cannot afford to lose this one, up against the Elementals. Ooh. And water goes off, and that will be a 2-1 victory. See Ocean Body checking fire. That might prevent them from win by more, which could cost them. But still, this is a nice victory for Sea Strikers. Our next matchup will be between 2 mostly clear teams, the Elementals on one side versus the Glass Maniacs on another. Can the Glass Maniacs get 3 consecutive victories? And, ooh, no they will not, as Rainbow Swirl falls off the edge, giving the Elementals a much needed victory. Now the Sea Strikers must win in order to have a chance at making it into the next round. Final matchup of the group, the Pollinators versus the Sea Strikers. Ooh, Pollinators, but can Waves manage to stay on? Yes, he will! And the Sea Strikers will win 2-1. And they will be moving on to the next stage along with the Glass Maniacs. Alright, so the Glass Maniacs and Sea Strikers tied for first with 2 wins and 1 loss each, 4 points and 3 against them each. Meanwhile, Elementals got third. They'll be eliminated, 1 win, 1 tie, 1 loss each, 4 points, 3 against them, while Pollinators 5 against them, 1 tie and 2 losses. So the teams, the last place, the Pollinators, 1 last, 1 tie, 2 losses, followed by PepsiCo Speeders, 2 ties and 1 loss. Then it'll be the Stingers and the Lagoons, each with 1 win and 2 losses, but the Lagoons have a better record, so they will be 9th, while the Lagoons are in 10th. The Misfits and the Elementals, they both have the exact same record, so they'll both be getting the same amount of points at 7th. And I'll explain the second round system to you shortly. Alright, so how this is going to work is that first there's going to be a matchup between these teams and those teams and those teams, for example. And then the winners of those will face off in a round-robin tournament with 3 matches. And the team that doesn't place last, the last place will get third. But then the winners will go to the finals, and that will be a best of 3. Alright, so I'll see you in the next part